Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good e-Learning, and here are the 5 key benefits of the ITIL Specialist Drive Stakeholder Value module, better known as ITIL DSV, in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Communication. ITIL DSV is designed to help practitioners understand stakeholders and the markets they operate in. This helps clarify priorities and builds trust between stakeholders and IT. 2. Satisfaction. ITIL DSV focuses on creating value by optimizing customer and user experiences. In other words, it satisfies stakeholders without making customers less of a priority. 3. Understanding. ITIL DSV offers practices for understanding the end-to-end customer journey, including touchpoints and interactions. This clarity is instrumental in guaranteeing a high level of quality. 4. Competitiveness. ITIL DSV helps drive both the quality and value of IT services as part of a continuous process. This helps practitioner organizations stand out even in competitive markets. And 5. Support. ITIL DSV prioritizes stakeholder support and satisfaction. This helps to guarantee stakeholder support for IT initiatives moving forwards. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on IT service management, click the link below in the description. Why not take a second to let us know your thoughts on ITIL 4 and IT service management in the comments below? Visit the Good e-Learning website today to find out more.